Attention! This video is made for scientific and educational purposes. The video does not violate YouTube's rules. Link to the document with links to the original video and quotes in the description. Hi. Welcome to the news of the world of weapons. Today we will tell you about the transition to the second phase of electronic warfare pod Air Large by Lockheed Martin. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends on social networks. We remind you that this video is of a scientific and educational nature and does not violate the rules of YouTube. Link to the document with links to all video sources and quotes in the description. The Army has moved the Lockheed Martin-made electronic warfare pod to the build and evaluation phase of the operational system, as it bolsters its electronic warfare capabilities. The second phase agreement is worth nearly $75 million, according to the Consortium Management Group's January 30th award listing, which made the award on behalf of the Army. By the way, we have a Telegram channel. There we publish what is not allowed on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe. The link will be in the description. Lockheed Martin's electronic warfare pod, known as the Air Large piece of the Army's multi-function electronic warfare family of systems program, is mounted on an MQ-1C Grey Eagle drone. It provides commanders with jamming capabilities as well as electronic support, or sensing of the electromagnetic spectrum. The defense contractor developed a prototype as part of the first phase of the project it won in January 2019 under an $18 million contract. Our internal research and development programs have resulted in first-of-its-kind converged technologies that are at the forefront of realizing our customers' urgent need and vision for combined cyber and electronic warfare (EU) capability and dominance, Dion Viergetz, Vice President of Lockheed's Spectrum Convergence Division, said in a statement. The company has been testing the pod as part of the Army's Cyber Blitz exercise. Army officials plan to have the capability deployed to combat aviation brigades in 2022. The pods are expected to play a critical role on the battlefield with near-peer adversaries, such as Russia and China. The air pod solutions are very important, especially when you start going against a near-peer competitor. The main reason why is because you start now dealing with more of an electronic intelligence threat than with a strictly commercial threat. Colonel Kevin Finch, Program Manager for Electronic Warfare and Cyber within Program Executive Office Intelligence, Electronic Warfare and Sensors. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to support our videos with likes, they're free for you, and our videos will help a lot. And of course subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos from the world of weapons. See you later.